And we're going to be opening this thing up. My little e-file went out the other day, so I know that's what this is. I ordered the Melody Susie Scarlet. It was recommended to me by one of my nail group ladies. I believe it was Pumpkin's Nail Station that recommended this e-file to me. And so let's check this out. Yes, this is it. Pretty packaging here. So this is an upgrade from what I had there. I had just gotten an El Cheapo. What do I say, y'all? We do with what we can until we can do better, okay? So here's the card. Here's the instruction booklet. Oh, and wow, this is just cute little compact, and it's got a place here on the top for your drill bits. This is where the handpiece would go, the on and off button, the speed button, and see, you can put it in there and it's not gonna, you can leave your bit on it. This is for the motor. This is for the plug-in, and this is going to be the foot pedal. This is going to be forward or reverse, so that's going to tell which way it goes. Here is the plug. Okay, so it came with these bits and some sanding bands. Here is the foot pedal, and I've not ever had one with a foot pedal, so I'm anxious to be able to use it. Try it with the foot pedal. And here is the handpiece, very nicely packaged. Look at that, very, very nicely packaged. They wanted to make sure that this sucker was not going anywhere. It has the name there on it, on the handle, and it has a bit in it so it didn't get messed up in transit. And it has here to show you, you know, to open and close. So let's plug it in. And let's listen to it. Excuse me just a second, y'all. Get her plugged in. And maybe put pedal here. Okay. Now see, this one you couldn't turn or anything. See, like I said, this was El Cheapo. let me. Alright, let's plug this in back here. And we're going to take this out, and we're going to put one of these in. There we go. Very nice. And so you put it, don't put it all the way down in there. And then you have a click. And so we're gonna, you ought to be able to see this. This is the blank bar that was in it. Okay. And we'll turn it up. Oh wow, this is, can y'all hear that? This is so quiet. And that's just up to like maybe 3,000, I think. Let's turn it up some more. And that's at 5,000. 10. That's not even the 15 yet. There's 15, 20. That's all the way. Now nobody is going to use that much power. Okay. Wow. That's really, 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 really nice. I mean, let me just show you compared to this. And this one started going out. That's why I ordered this, okay? Listen to this. And see, it stopped. And I've still got the button. It just stops on me. Oh, I guess it went completely out now. Oh, no, there it goes again. See how that does? But it's been really loud like that ever since I've got it. This is, wow, just the difference between night and day, let me tell you. It's going to be so much easier to do my nail work now. I know there's going to be a big difference. This is just, Granny's flabbergasted, y'all. I'm telling you, okay? And now this was under $50. This was more in the half of that range, okay? You get what you pay for. I'm telling y'all. Now looky here. You can just put it right in there when you're done. You can put the drill bits that you use the most right up here. It's not poking out there at the bottom. It's going to take up a lot less room than one like this on your desk, you know, at your station, wherever you're working. And let me plug the foot pedal in, and we'll check that out right quick. That way y'all can see all of the features on it. Okay. So let me take this out. Got this. I'll put the foot pedal down here. Y'all hear it? Let me put it up here. When you step on the foot pedal, that stops it. You release the foot pedal to have it go again. So that way you're not having to constantly deal with the knob. If you're working on this hand, there you go. You can work on the hand, and you can stop it if you need to stop, and you're doing it with your foot. So that is great. Wonderful feature. I'm telling you, this is really going to step Granny's game up right here, y'all. So, we're going to have it popping now. Yes, ma'am. Wow. All right, queens. We're going to have to get on some nails, okay? So, y'all be looking out for the next video. Hey, I got a new kit coming tomorrow. It's a Model 1's kit. And it's polygel and some gel pots, and it's new stuff that I've not worked with, those gel pots. And I think it's got a cute little UV lamp in it, so y'all be watching out for that too, okay? I know these first videos are a lot of nail mail and stuff, but I promise you, I had a client get with me today. She asked me what my schedule was looking like next week. I told her about the new stuff I was getting in. She's excited. I'm excited. I asked her, could I go ahead and start filming her? And, you know, I don't know about her face, but at least her hands. So, I'm putting the word out. Get me some models to work on, and show y'all and play with all these new goodies. Yes. All right. Remember, y'all stay true to yourselves and you'll be fabulous, okay? And Granny loves you. Mwah! Big kisses. Lots of love. Bye for now.